Okay guys, welcome back. We're gonna go do some mowing. Front yard here. Main farm. And then we might start to feed our horses and cows. So it's gonna be a 10-minute video. Our next video might be us going on a camping trip.
And do you want to go around the trees because you got the smaller mower?
Yeah, I'll do that here in a sec.
So how far do you go?
Just do our property line. I actually got rid of the bushes. I took the skid steer and yanked them out last night.
Yeah. There's half of the noise.
Might need some help.
Okay.
There, I got it. Little Blue can't handle her.
It only requires that mower only requires 75 bucks.
I know, this has got like 100, 200, I think.
I think it's 30.
Yeah, something like that. Drop. I'll let you do more than mowing, Brayden, because you got the bigger mower.
Actually, you can get a chopper like mine, blue, but it's kind of big.
It's big for Little Blue.
Yeah.
I tried it and Little Blue couldn't handle it.
Like, on my phone, I tried it. I tried it on my phone, and it was just complicated.
Yeah, it doesn't have the best. I mean, it'll go for heavy duty tractor.
That's still drive, right?
Little Blue doesn't really need her. We don't even have that much to mow, so one big mower and one small mower does the job.
And I think another.
Here, you want to do this and I'll feed the animals? You can take Little Blue if you need it.
Can I feed animals with you?
Yeah, we'll stop mowing for now. Here, go get the bobcat.
Okay. Is it in this shed over here?
Should be in the main shop. Yeah, in the little shop.
Okay.
What do they need? So, you need... Here.
Where's the forks? Is it behind the...
I got the pitchforks. They're over here. So, we need to put a silage bale in. Hang on, I gotta see if we need straw first. I'm gonna go get some straw.
Where did you say the... Oh, I see that.
Yeah, you're gonna figure out them. You wanna go get some hay? We need hay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you usually...
Yeah, it's not, yeah, we don't have none.
We're gonna have to get a trailer load. Maybe not today, though. Do they really need hay? Is it like something they really need?
Not really. Well, not really. I gotta figure out where I feed their hay. I always go with this issue.
Oh.
Yeah, I know, I didn't really put it in the best spot.
There we go. Cute. Alright, so what did they need straw?
I'm feeding straw to them.
Do you want me to put that round bale
Yeah.
back here? Okay.
See if they need any grass anywhere.
Okay. Does the horses need it?
I'm getting them from strolling, and I'm gonna have to come get a refill.
They might need some diesel skid loader.
Oh, wonderful. We need hay, and we need water.
Okay.
You wanna go fire up the semi and get the water trailer?
Yeah.
We'll have to.
Hold on, let me get rid of these darn brown bits. We need to get rid of them. Yeah. Can we make something to make it?
No.
Yes.
I'm gonna see if I can vacuum this back up.
There's a lot of like messy grain that the cows spill over here.
I'm gonna pick that up. I'm gonna come with this thing and pick it up. This thing's handy.
Yeah.
It's a nice purchase.
It's better than carrying the tractor around.
Yes, way better. Forage. Okay, this is forage. I don't think any of them need forage. Yeah, we need hay. That's what we need.
No.
You want to go buy a hay bale? Just take the trailer and just get one hay bale for now. I'll take and get their water around.
I'm already in the single home, so I can do it.
Yeah, get their water. Where's the goosenecks?
Should be over there.
Whose red truck?
Not mine.
Not mine.
Like I said,
Yeah, I don't know.
they have an upgrade.
You wanna get a truck? You wanna bring that? Bring the red truck and hook up this gooseneck.
Where's the water tank at?
Over here. I made it by the little shop. I parked stuff over here so it's not in the front yard.
You got two discs?
I actually, the one's different. I didn't put the things that level out on the one. It actually is pretty good. Do you want to go with me? That way you can drive. That way you can help me load these.
Yeah,
Yeah, just take the truck. I'll buy a hay bale. I'm gonna buy 2 for now.
the horses didn't even take that much.
No, they do not. I bought 2 square hay bales.
Yeah.
In another video, it's not the end of the video yet, but it will be pretty soon. About another 3 more minutes. We will be having another episode of us just playing around. We might have a camping episode. So this is episode number 1, part 1. Next one will be episode 2, part 2. And yeah, so stay tuned, subscribe. So that will be next time. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you smash the like button before we end the video, because it comes to my attention half the people that watch the videos haven't subscribed. So if you guys enjoy it, make sure you hit the like button. Those are not snapping. Alright. Alright, so we are at the store, gonna get these 2 hay bales, and we're gonna run back. When I get back, and be end the video for today. So let's get this loaded up.
After you get back, do you want to finish our mowing real quick?
Yep, that'll be episode number 2. Be episode number 2 of mowing, then we'll have probably episode 3 of camping. We gotta build our campsite, so yeah, you wanna strap me down when I'm done. Hit the strap button, and then the vehicle strap me. Oh, Bob! Hang on, don't do it yet. Okay, you can do it. You got the vehicle straps on?
Yep.
Alright, float up the ramp.
You want to drive or do you want me to? Oh, you're in. "50-foot gooseneck trail is hard to turn."
I know, but it's good for hauling bales.
Yeah.
You wanna go the back way?
Sure.
It's actually, you can turn a lot better.
Well, it was. Let me try.
Well, you have an extra room. You don't have to worry about signs. Don't mind me just watching.
We ain't cut that tree down.
Let's cut it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, if you did, smash that like button and subscribe, because a lot of you guys don't subscribe. So, if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you subscribe so you can get notifications.